Welcome to Motivation at Hand, Ma. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. October's lessons about 1. The light breaks. The world turns to slumber's gentle wakes. Days of promise, fresh and bright. 1. Its beams of morning, pure delight. The shadows of the night have paved their way against first rays that begin each day. A canvas painted with colors bold. In nature's story, first chapter told. Crisp air whispers secrets near. October's bounty do provide. Halloween's pleasure put aside. With every step, the journey's begun. This first moments rise like the morning sun. Let us greet this dawn so fine. October's message. We do intertwine. What is mine? In the curious theater of life, where numbers are more than mere digits and symbolism, let us turn our gaze to the number 1. Behold, the singular essence of this digit, which, like a grand maestro, conducts the symphony of human existence.
The etymology of 1, represented in the alphabet, introduces us to the letters A, J, and S.
A triumvirate of linguistic tools, they are the cornerstone of communication, the instruments through which we express our innermost thoughts, desires, and follies. In the grand calendar of the cosmos, October is a month of transformation when nature dons its crimson cloak. It also serenades us with the harvest hues of one's grace with the frosty breath of January, giving way to the stage for the New Year's resolutions and the icy grip of winter. With the unyielding radiance of the sun, 1 shines upon us, bathing our world in its life-giving warmth. It is the celestial body that bestows upon us the gift of illumination, banishing the shadows and revealing the mysteries of the universe. 1 is the fiery element, embodies the essence of combustion, a primal force that has fueled human ingenuity since time immemorial. It is the spark that ignites our passions, the blaze of inspiration that births new ideas, and the relentless fire of ambition that drives us forward. The color red, like the banner of an intrepid explorer, is unfurled by the mighty one. It is a hue that evokes myriad emotions, from the fiery passion of love to the warning signs of danger. Red is a color of vibrancy and vitality, a vivid reminder of life's vigor. 1 is not merely a symbol of external phenomena, it delves deep into the human psyche. It is the concept of self as the nucleus of one's universe, a notion that places the individual at the epicenter of existence. It is the wellspring of creativity, birthing novel ideas, and pioneering endeavors. The number 1 heralds new beginnings with the fanfare of trumpets, beckoning us to embrace optimism and forge our destiny with self-determination and willpower. It is the captain of our aspirations, navigating us through the uncharted waters of ambition, where direct action and swift decisiveness are the stars by which we steer our course. In the realm of leadership, 1 stands as the paragon of resolute guidance, impervious to the siren calls of external influences. It is the steadfast captain on the ship of destiny, boldly sailing through the tempest of challenges, unafraid of opposition, and embodying the pioneer spirit. Yet, let us not forget the shadows that accompany this number's luminous presence. 1 in its unyielding singularity, can give birth to negative traits. It may become the harbinger of egomania, a relentless pursuit of self at the expense of others, a tempest of aggression driven by self-satisfaction. Arrogance and didacticism often lurk in its wake, as first it may become a bullish and bossy figure, unwilling to heed the counsel of others. Excessive independence, to the point of isolation, can cast a pall over relationships, leading to a lack of self-confidence and vacillation. Yet, despite these shadows, 1's vigor invigorates the human spirit. Having gone through 1 via October, we felt the yearning to be the center of our world, to assume the mantle of leadership, and to believe in the creative potential of our ideas. Thriving to be in control, savor independence, and tirelessly pursue personal goals, impatient with the plodding pace of conformity. In the quest for self-realization, we are guided by the number 1 to find within ourselves the kinetic energy to wrestle with decisiveness and independence. Stimulating a driven desire to develop focused ambition, leadership qualities, and the courage to make pivotal decisions. Whether born in the protective embrace of October or the harsh clutches of January, independence and self-sufficiency are the crucibles in which resilience, creativity, and leadership are forged. And, to the collective power of one. In October, we too garner its favors in the grand tapestry of life. Cycles weave their threads, and one dances to its rhythm. 3 cycles of one. In the first cycle, a sense of isolation may descend, forcing one to navigate the solitary path. As the second cycle unfolds, opportunities beckon, inviting the forging of a robust individuality and the honing of leadership skills. Specialization in a creative realm, independent endeavors, and autonomous decision-making become the modus operandi. In the third cycle, new directions beckon, and the echoes of past achievements resound. Independence and self-reliance are the guiding stars, fueling perpetual activity and a relentless pursuit of progress. This ode to the number 1. Remember that it is both the maestro and the maverick, the guiding star and the shadowy companion, shaping the symphony of human existence with its singular, unyielding presence. The shadows of creativity, so much fun. At the 1, work has begun. Benevolence represents the virtues of charity and selflessness, embodying the spirit of generosity and kindness. Overcoming Lord Misappropriation, a ghoulish figure draped in ill-gotten riches, who symbolize the perils of unchecked greed. Frugality is the art of prudently handling material assets and, notably, finances, marked by thrift and prudent resource management. Subduing Baroness Extravaganza. A goblin of opulence and excess bedecked in lavish attire, who epitomize the insatiable desire for luxury and indulgence. Conscientia, known for transparency and honesty. Wore an open and sincere demeanor, symbolizing the virtues of integrity and forthrightness. Eschewing clandestine schemes and hidden agendas. In the center of a pragmatic focus, they confronted Countess Conspira. A spectral presence adorned in veils of intrigue, symbolizing the allure of clandestine schemes and hidden agendas. Moderation, marked by moderation and simplicity, embodied the values of restraint and prudence, refraining from opulence and excess. Imposed restraints onto Baroness Extravaganza. Certainty, exuding confidence and clarity, an unwavering assurance. Represented sound decision-making and avoided the whims of speculation and financial manipulation. Discernment tempered. The face of Sir Speculation, a ghostly financier shrouded in uncertainty, portraying the whims of speculation and financial manipulation. Generosa, known for her generosity and selflessness, adorned with symbols of giving and sharing, embodied the spirit of philanthropy and abundance. Tempered, in contrast to Lady Avaritia, a goblin adorned with golden masks and bejeweled treasures. Embodying the relentless pursuit of wealth and material gain at all cost. Clarity, a figure who conveyed clear and straightforward communication, shunning mystery and riddles, symbolized open and honest dialogue. Avoiding the enigmatic nature of hidden desires and secrets. Shedding light onto Sir Enigma. A mysterious figure in a cloak of riddles, representing the enigmatic nature of hidden desires and secrets. Integrity stands as an essential moral virtue. Encompassing actions grounded in truthfulness, equity, and propriety. As author C.S. Lewis noted, it entails doing what is right, even in the absence of observers. Settled the fires of Madame Temptress. A beguiling spectre with an air of seduction. Signifying the allure of temptation and indulgence. Authenticity, a figure known for their genuine and transparent nature, wore their true self without disguises, symbolizing authenticity and honesty, refraining from the complexity of human facades and personas. Giving light to Master Masquerade, a goblin with a multitude of disguises, highlighting the complexity of human nature and the facades we wear. In October's final moment, November unwinds. The end, a beginning, in intricate binds. A circle unbroken, a cycle's embrace. The past and the future, in one timeless space. The last page turns, a prelude to start. The end and beginning, hand in hand, part. In this eternal dance, life finds its way. The beginning at the end, in every new day. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.